Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like making video because I become late for afternoon. Making English lifestyle my third month learning process. Hello everyone. My full name is Rasya Saputra. You can call me Rasya. In this video, I want to share my experience and learning process in learning English, especially in the third month. For me, learning English is not only about grammar or vocabulary. Learning English is about making English a lifestyle. In this video, I will talk about writing, speaking, listening, adaptation, vocabulary, and practice in daily life. Writing gets your information. Writing is the way to it to get information for the speaker. When someone is speaking, we cannot remember everything. That is why. That is why. That is why writing is very important. When the teacher explains something, I listen and write. I don't write. I don't write everything, but I only write the important points. Writing is writing is not about perfect grammar. Writing is about understanding the message. When you write, your brain works, and when your brain works, learning happens. Speaking and listening therapy. In the third month, we have to use English 100% in our daily communication. This is called speaking therapy and listening therapy. Speaking therapy means we keep speaking English even when we keep speaking English even when we are afraid of or confused. Listening therapy means we are listen carefully to teachers, friends, and people around us. The first it feel the first it feels hard and uncomfortable, but slowly English becomes familiar, and finally English becomes our habit. Short and check technique. There is technique that helps me a lot. Uh, that there is a technique that helps me a lot. It is called short and check. Short means using short and simple sentence. Check means checking your understanding step by step. This technique helps me stay focused and not get confused easily, especially When listening to explanations, adaptation, adaptation and aha moment in the third month, adaptation happens. Adaptation, adaptations, adaptation means English is no longer stronger. Is no stronger. In English feels normal in our daily life. Then we experience in our daily life. Then we experience the aha moment. Aha moment is when you suddenly understand something. When you get new vocabulary or new ideas, you can say, "Aha, I get it." When we start earlier, we start better. And when we practice more, and we and when we practice more and more, we understand more vocabulary and meaning. Now I want to explain some vocabulary that I learned. The first trip means tersandung, slip means terpleset, limp means berjalan pincang, yawn means menguap, uh, whistle bersiul, whisper means berbisik, whisper means whistle bersiul, whisper means berbisik, means bersendawa, ipcep means cegukan. I learned these words not by memorizing but by using them in daily conversation. When I need a word, I find it. When I need a word, I find it. When I find it, I use it. And when I use it, I remember it. And sometimes I make two idiom. I also learn idioms. For example, today raining. Today afternoon raining cats and dogs. It doesn't mean cats and dogs fall from the sky. It means heavy rain. Ask, repeat, and reread. If you don't understand, you can ask for your teacher. If you forget, you study or repeat again, because if you repeat, you understand. Don't stop talking and repeating. You can rewrite your sentence. You can fix it slowly. Making mistakes is okay. The important thing is to keep speaking. When you feel confused, sometimes I feel confused, and that is normal. when when I am confused in English, explain it first using my own understand my own understanding. Sometimes in Indonesian style, then I change it into English. The important thing is not to stay silent. Confusion means you are learning inside and outside to the class. Learning English is not only inside the class. In the third month, we also practice outside the class. I I study with Ma'am Nova. I understand because she teach me slowly and step by step. Uh, and then I study with Miss Sofa because Miss Sofa uh, teach me little by little. Teach me I understand little by little. With and the second with pen. I study with pen. I study with pen because I because my friends invite me for communication with other friends. In the third in study club with MS student, Miss Miss Baby. She is uh, she is learn she is learn me she is learn me uh, she is learn me uh, clearly and slowly, and I because she is teach me uh, slowly and clearly. So I understand for what for what she said. We gather talk we gather we gather talk and practice together. English becomes part of our daily life, and sometimes I I I want to get never give up, but my my mom say my mom called my mom called me. He say eh, her say he say you must speaking English. You must speaking English 3 months because my my mom because my mom uh, because I don't uh, uh, because I say yes. I study in BC. I seriously for study, and I I don't know. I don't know. Uh, have to continue. I don't know. I don't know. Have to continue my study at BC because I yeah I don't know because I must try because I but but I try and try again. Why? I fighting to the tenses, uh, 16 16 16 tenses and plus nominal and comparative degree, passive voice, and indirect, and uh, uh, making video with MS, and uh, TC students. I sometimes I sometimes I sometimes every day I was tired. Why? Because I I don't have energy, full energy, and every weekend every weekend I every weekend every weekend my friends accompany with me to another place beautiful. uh, Example, every last weekend I go to swimming pool with my friends. uh, uh, my friend is Siska, Nindi, uh, Dharma, Yudis, Tasya, dan Firna. Yeah, I swimming in Insta. Do you know Insta? Yeah. And and Saturday and last Saturday I go to uh, eat meatball with Firna, Dharma, Kayla, and me. Of course, I so happy. I eat meatball and drink uh, water, ice water, ice coffee. Yeah, of course. And I today and today I and last and this night I ate chicken, fried chicken with Siska, because Siska company me for making video, uh, closing to clones learning is a process. Writing helps us change information. Speaking and listening help us editation. Vocabulary helps us express ideas. Practice helps us improve. Uh, Practice help us improve. Make English not just a listen, but but a lifestyle. Think do apologize my mistakes for my come late for this afternoon. Making mistake, but I'm sorry. So I apologize my mistakes. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. And the last I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.